Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bhavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is Aditya doing?
I'm good.
Fine. Class, tell me what were we doing in the last lecture? What did we do?
Chapter 5.
We started.
Last class we have started metals and power resources, and we have to start from distribution of mineral resources.
The table.
We were discussing what?
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am, we
start
have to
from
start-
the table.
Ma'am, chapter 5, mineral and power resources. We have to start with the distribution of mineral resources on the page number 166.
Okay. Can you all? बेटा कोई अनुष्का पटेल है अपनी क्लास में?
No.
Ma'am, Ansh Patel.
हाँ?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ansh Patel.
अच्छा तो ओके ओके अंश पटेल होंगे, ठीक है. चलिए. Keep your geography notebooks with you. We'll be doing the flow charts for this chapter. 2-3 flow charts we have. Once we are done, then we'll continue with the reading of the chapter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Right. Let me connect. Today there are many students in the class, approximately 24, right?
23.
No, one more is joining.
Acha, okay.
Including me, it is 25 now, but excluding me is 24.
Ma'am, in the second period,
Yes. What, beta?
ma'am, in the second period, the strength was 31.
I know. See, there is a very simple, principle for everything. Those who attend classes, they will be benefited. Those who are not attending, they have to lose on certain things. So when we talk of the classroom part, they have to lose on the marks, right? Those who are not regular or those who join the class, but then they sit as silent, listeners. They will also be marked absent. No marks to be given to them. So this is a very simple philosophy of life. You will get what you are doing. You will never be paid. You will never be benefited for what you are not doing. Right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
Shalini. I'm just sharing the screen with you all. Okay. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine. Class 8, Geography, Chapter 5, Mineral and Power Resources. This will be your heading, which you are supposed to do on the right hand side of your notebook, the ruled side that we have. And on the plain side, you need to do this flowchart. Right? And please mention today's date.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to make this flow chart.
Yes, in the notebook right now.
Ma'am, have you checked the
Ma'am, we are
geography?
doing this chapter in a science also.
I know. Beta, notebooks, text notebooks are checked. Today, most probably the marks will be feed in the data that you people that we are supposed to feed in.
Ma'am, can you tell our marks?
Marks. It will take lot of time telling
Yes,
you
ma'am.
marks. नहीं बेटा
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
marks
ma'am.
only
marks
in
हम
5 minutes.
पहले ये चैप्टर कर लो बच्चे बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग पड़ा हुआ है last 10 minutes we'll talk about the test part, right?
Ma'am, the same chapter we are doing in science also.
That is why no you'll be able to understand it easily.
Yes, ma'am. And metals and non-metals.
Yes. First one is drawn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Second one.
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
Okay.
Please wait.
Ma'am,
Done.
yes, ma'am.
Just a second.
Ma'am, we have to draw both of the flow charts on same page.
If you have space in the note in the page left, you can do it on the same page.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, drilling is a part of mining or drilling is another method of extraction of
It is a method of extracting minerals, especially liquid. So mining, drilling, and drilling, these are three different processes to extract minerals.
Ma'am, please show the first flow chart.
Okay.
Ma'am, drawn.
I'm drawn.
Done?
And
Ma'am,
please
please
scroll
show the
above.
second one.
Second one? Okay. Second one is only showing on the screen, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Both done?
I'm done.
I'm
Fine.
done.
Fine. Now you have certain, like generally I tell you in the last of the chapter that all these things you are supposed to do in the notebook. So today I'll be telling you it in the beginning itself so that you have sufficient time to complete your work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, first of all, you're supposed to do all the keywords that are there in the chapter given. Do them in the notebook, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Write all the key terms given in the chapter. Second thing is table 5.1, that is page 166 and 167 of your book. It has got, you know, details of the minerals that are found in the country and in the world, right? So 2 places each I have specified here. You need to mark these countries and the state in the political map of world as well as India. Like I have written first for the world and then for the state part. Now how you have to do it? Like if I say iron ore, right? If I say iron ore, in the world political map, you have to show it. 2 countries that you have to show is Russia and Canada. And on the India political map, you have to show Jharkhand and Odisha states. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
coming to manganese, again in the world wala thing, you have to mark Russia and South Africa. Now what you can do is, you can use
Ma'am,
3
please scroll up.
down or up.
Ma'am, up for a while.
This one.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, little one.
Okay,
Little.
it is showing, wait.
Ma'am, first one also.
Hmm?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Chaliye. Then Mendes in Russia and South Africa, there are total 8 minerals given in the book. What you can do, you can use either 2 maps, world and India both, or you can use 3 maps. That is completely your choice. Or you can just do them in one single map also. That is completely your choice, right? So this is how you need to do. Suppose, for example, India map you are doing. Is it showing on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Suppose you are doing India political map and you have to show Kerala and Odisha. So you will be marking separately the way it is done over here. And for the reference part, you will be making the reference index. You will be writing iron ore.
Excuse
And then,
me.
just a second, let me finish, bacha. Then you will write 1 and 2. And 1 and 2, you will specify here that which states they are talking about. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now what you were asking, please ask.
Do we have to mark the full state or only the region where the iron ore is there?
No, you have to mark only those states and countries which I am telling you to mark.
No, ma'am. I am saying, ma'am, the region of that state where the iron ore is present, or the full state.
State. That is why I have written only the name of the state. Otherwise, I know the regions also. I could have told you that also. But you do only state part. Am I
Okay,
clear?
ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Coming to the,
We have to mark all the minerals.
with all the minerals you have to mark, but states and countries only two you are going to mark.
Ma'am, any two?
No, the ones which I am giving you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that there is no confusion. I don't know whether Bhavya is going to mark which countries or states, and I don't know which countries and states Alishba is going to mark. How will I give you in exam? And in exam, if I give states and countries of my choice, what will happen? Alishba will say that, ma'am, this I have not done in the notebook. You will say, ma'am, this I have not done in the notebook. So just to avoid any kind of confusion, I am giving you these names. Am I clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then for copper, you can write USA. You can have China. Then for the state part in India, Madhya Pradesh. And Rajasthan. Yes. Say it, bacha. What you want to say, Kartikeya?
Ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am, please scroll up for a while.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if two countries or states are minerals are found in two countries, same countries, then how we will mark?
You can use a combination of colors, or you can simply write specifying that South Africa has abundance of this and this minerals. In the reference index, you can write, suppose South Africa, gold and diamond. And I think for one more, I told you write South Africa, manganese. So you can write manganese, gold, diamond. So South Africa, these three minerals are common. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can simply use a common color for the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we color South Africa with 3 colors so that it
You
can
can-
indicate different minerals?
You can do that also, no problems.
Now you can scroll down.
All have done.
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Waiting.
Ma'am, we have to write till mica.
Yeah, up till limestone you have to write.
Ma'am, what?
Limestone.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
You have not written?
No, ma'am, I have taken screenshot.
Wait.
Okay, I'm writing.
Or you can simply do one thing. In the book, the table is given. You can simply circle those states and countries which you are supposed to show for a particular mineral, right?
Okay.
Fine. Now the next thing.
Ma'am, do we have to make the table also?
No, table you don't have to make, beta. Table you don't have to make. What you need to do is you need to learn the uses of various minerals that the table shows. I will give you questions, right? And these questions will fit, like these questions will be from these uses only, right? See, you all have given the test.
Okay.
You all have
Thank you,
given the UT geography. You all have given. Anybody who has not given? All have given.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this? No, ma'am. Who has not given the test?
No, ma'am. I was saying you have asked if someone have not given, so I said no, ma'am.
All have given the test. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now,
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
you must be aware that how I framed the questions from the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes,
I don't stick to the question answers that are given at the back. I told this to you when we started with the classes, right? I want that you should be thorough with your chapter. Right? Right? Now,
Ma'am.
now, see, this table is important in the sense that you may get out of the world countries and the Indian states. I may give you as a blank also. I may give you as match the following also. Right? Then you may get various uses of these minerals as questions. So please do not stick to the questions that are given at the back. They are also to be done along with the chapter reading and framing questions on your own. Don't worry about the framing part. I'll give you those questions, additional questions. Like if you remember during the revisions, I gave you several questions between the chapter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now, those who attended these sessions, they would have benefited, but the ones who could not attend, they have missed on several details in the test as well. Right? Are you all done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the third thing, and then I'll discuss about the question paper. See, there is on page 167, there is a picture given. Apply it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The questions that are there in the questions that are there in this picture, that these questions you are supposed to do, but not now, once the chapter is over. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
What you can do is you can stick a picture of plane on the plane side of the notebook in advance and write these questions and leave spaces, so that when we are over with the chapter and when we do these question answers, you write these answers in the notebook on the plane side where you have stick this picture. Right?
Ma'am,
Okay,
page
ma'am.
number 160.
Yes, page 167 on the left side of the page. Green box. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the question paper, see what I have observed, the common mistakes that you people did in the flow chart. Can you tell me what were the common mistakes that you people did?
Ma'am, I made the whole flow chart, but the question was asking only about the natural resources.
Very good. Very smart.
Ma'am,
Angel.
will you cut marks?
This time I have deducted. Next time I will not.
Ma'am, I just made what was asked.
Ma'am, I have made what was written in the question.
Ma'am, I also made what was written in the question.
No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen. Ease. I have not deducted your marks this time, but next time I am going to do it definitely. See on the screen, I have written paper discussion. Now see, your define was of 3 marks, 1 mark each. That means it was of total 3 marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of you have done it correctly. I think only 1 or 2 students could not get the correct thing. Rest everyone has done it the way it was required. Coming to the flowchart. Flowchart I felt is more important to discuss because you were asked to make a flowchart showing distribution of natural resources, distribution of resources on the basis of renewability, on the basis of distribution, on the basis of stage of development. See, this is how you were supposed to make your flowchart. Is it showing on the screen, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
only 2 students in in all the 3 sections of the 8th class. Only 2 students have made it the way I wanted it. Only 2 students. So I got it that.
Ma'am, I made like this only.
Ma'am, I have
I
also
don't
made like
remember the name. I don't
Ma'am,
remember the name.
Ma'am, I
But-
also made like this.
Only 3 things you have written. I saw many students writing this as well as human made and man made. Humans and man made. They had written humans plus man made plus I don't know what all things they had written. I was not getting it. And one more thing, many of you have written about the origin also. Origin was not asked. Right? Whenever you are asked for the flow chart, you are supposed to make it the way they are asking it. See, when we do flow chart in the notebook, we write everything because we need to explain. Flow chart tells us that this is what we have learned. But in the tests, I can give you just 2 part of it or just 1 part of it, and you have to make it accordingly. What it is asking, you have to confine your work to that only during the examinations or during the tests. So I hope I am clear.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? So
Yes.
this time I have not deducted marks, but next time I will definitely do that. Now, next
Ma'am,
question.
I asked Gaurav sir that I know whole table, so can I make that? So Gaurav sir said ki if you will make anything extra, ma'am will not cut marks. That's why I got confused and made the whole table.
चलो वो कोई बात नहीं, वो जनरली ऐसा ही होता है. बट द थिंग इज कि जितना कहा जाता है अगर हम उतने में कन्फाइन रहते हैं बेटा तो वी सेव ऑन आवर टाइम. हम लोग जब 10th और 12th में जब बोर्ड्स देंगे, इवन अ सिंगल मिनट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है, तब हम एक्स्ट्रा चीजें नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड because of attempting extra questions, what do? We lose on the time part. And because we lose on the time part, so our marks also get deducted because of not attempting the ones that is required. Fine. Okay. Coming to the third question. Many of you wrote only conservation. Many
Ma'am,
of
I have written full.
listen.
I have
Listen to me. Beta, listen to me. Many have written only conservation. Some have written only resources. So those who have written only conservation or only resources, I have not given marks. A straight away 0 I have given. And for the second also, some have written only human, and some, I think some of you wrote actual resources also. So those who have written actual resources, 0, and those who have written human, they have got the marks. But here only human resources were supposed to come, not the actual or the ubiquitous. Potential. Some have written potential also, right? See, this I am talking about all the 3 sections collectively because I have checked the notebooks, which were, they were all mixed. PDFs are all mixed, no? One section, the different section. So it was not in proper sequence, right? Now coming to the fill-ups, there were 4 fill-ups. Many of you wrote only oil. So for oil, I have not given marks. Those who have written petroleum, only those students have got marks for it. Then second was ubiquitous. Many of you have written actual or potential. So marks are not given for that. Okay? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And 3 and 4 was correct of everyone. Only first and second, there were confusions. So many of the students, they did not get marks, but then some of you were very close to the answer. So there I have given you grace marks. Like some of the students, they wrote crude oil, mineral oil. So for mineral oil or crude oil, I have given marks. Okay. Then the last question was any 3 out of 2 questions that were given, any one you were supposed to do. Many of you attempted this sustainable development wala question, and whatever you had written, that was all correct. So most of you have scored full marks. Very few, handful of the students have scored less than 13. Most of you are in the range of 13, 14, but only I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 students have scored below 13, right? Only 6 students. Rest,
Yeah.
most of you have scored 13, 14, 13, 14. But and one more thing, your presentation matters a lot. I think Angel, Your work was really very good. Payal, Alishba, Ridhima, Aditya, Ved, Vidushi, and like though you all did very
Ma'am,
well,
which
but then
Aditya?
Aditya Gangwar. Presentation matters a lot. Many of you had done cuttings and all, तो avoid करा करो बच्चे. जब आप बहुत sure होते हो तभी लिखा करो, या जब आप cuttings करते हो तो just put a single cut over what you have written. That is more than sufficient, because when you will go for your boards, they tell you that no scribbling is allowed over there, no whiteners to be used. Some of you have used whiteners also, so nobody to use whiteners. Stop this practice of using whiteners, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, all of you have done really very well. The only thing that I faced problem was your PDFs could not reach me. I had to send a reminder for the PDFs, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I don't know, some of the PDFs went into the spam on